Hello and welcome back to my video. In this video I will show how you can make a home folder on your network drive for your domain user. So let's begin to start up the server manager. When you have this starting, we can create a new user. So we're going for users and computers. And then we're going to, I have my home users here, and I will just right click and click new, and here we pick a user. And now I want to create my own personal user. And my password is not running out, and I don't want to change it next time I log in. So here's my user. So the first I go into right click and click properties, and then I go in for profile and we click connect. Now I need a folder where I can share it. So I go in for this computer and the C drive, and I click new folder. New folder, I call it network share. And I right click on it and click sharing and advanced sharing. Share this folder, and we have permissions here. Allow everything. Oops, I'll remove this, and domain, and then I pick every users here and click allow. And when we are done here, we can go back for a folder here, and I'll type down my network name, and then I call it network share. And then the file should be my username. So to be sure I type right, I just type inside the username, and it will be Paris, and I can click OK. Inside here we have Paris. And then we can log in with it. And when we have Windows 10 here on the domain, I will change other users, and I'll log in for my personal account where I have my personal user, and then we are logged in. It will take a little time if it's the first time you're logged in, but when you hit the desktop it will continue. And now when we are on the desktop, I will show you where we are. You click on the folder here and wait until it's open. My machine still is waiting to open, and then going for this computer, and you can see devices here, and then you can see my network drive. This is because I have all my sound system and my server here home. But the point is, if I'm creating the file here, this is my home folder where I can place all my my files. Then we can say test file, and then I will going back for my Active Directory. I'm going inside to the folder. You can see here, here's the folder. So my Windows 10 here is connected up for my domain controller with the home folder. It's called the network share, and it's coming into my Active Directory server. But remember, the way I do it is meaning if you have multi-user, every single user can go into each other's folder and take the files. So be sure you have understanding the security and how you can change the permission. This video is just a guide how you easily can start get your own home drive, and not how you secure your home drives. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you want to subscribe. If you have any questions, please make them below. I'll try to answer them. And of course, I hope you want to like it, share it with your friends, and add it for a playlist so you can get more videos. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.